All right, now welcome back. Welcome back. All right, this particular year, New Year things, everybody now, they run around. Easy bit. One of the things that most people they always do most times when we enter New Year, now to make New Year resolutions.
Yes.
For those who don't know where New Year resolution, based on the English plenty thing, it actually means, okay, as this year don't start, you can't write down some things or decide to verbalize some things or talk about
What
something.
you like
say,
do.
these things, I'm not going to do these things again. I'm not going to do this one again. I'm going to have to do these ones from now on. All now basically at the end of the day to, make yourself, say you become better person at the end of the day, get better results. Easy.
Yes.
What be your feeling about New Year resolution?
What's my feeling?
Yes. What you as person now feel about New Year? Because some people they'll tell you, say, man, no need to make New Year resolutions. Just go outside, they do things. Some people say, no, put anything down. No, they write your goals for the year.
Okay.
No, they say if they plan life like that, somehow, if you might not really get it. Some other people will tell you, say, my brother, write them down. They look them every day. They follow them like that. What do you feel about that particular?
Well, personally, what I feel, say, based on New Year resolution, as human being, this thing where you talk all the time, now it happen to you. Just now, so the word just take bisha. If you dey over sing, you go can't sabi sing. If you dey run too often, you can't sabi run well. If you dey do bad things, the thing will master you. So if we say make we relate this same very stuff now to New Year resolution, it will be say anything where you decide to say you won't do, as far as you don't dey talk, I'm ready. Try put yourself for the motion to execute them. But my major problem with people where they give New Year resolution, I say they go don't talk say. Now, what we want to be this. But at the end of the day, they don't put that into action. Before you know it, like what you talk when we just start the show, before you know anything will happen, the year don't end. When you come to December, you can't expect me magic happen. So my feeling about New Year resolution, personally, now I say, the thing they very nice. Write all of them down. Make it not too plenty. Just write those ones where say you go feel execute and try to get them one after the other. And by the time you know what thing will happen, you don't try. At least you go look back, you talk, say, even if nobody hail me, I go hail myself and try.
Yeah, no be lie. Clap for yourself, You He's learning well. But really though. New Year resolutions. Many people go talk, say, okay, fine, I go make New Year resolution. Some people go say, okay, New Year now, this one. Sometimes people they make new Year resolutions to become to get things how to put them now. They make New Year resolutions for material sake.
Yeah.
For material reasons sake.
Okay, material. Okay.
Material, you understand? But for me, first, you go need to, as a person, really think about a better you.
Okay.
First. How I go take improve my life. Personally first. Because this is a mental thing. First. Now here go first start your head.
Okay.
If for your head, you never shift from that position of say, I don't tire for where I did. I don't tire for this particular place. If that thing never shifts for your head, not be just say you decide to say you want to do New Year resolution because New Year don't come.
Yeah.
So now part of the game, now part of the yarns from out. We do play, we making money. If you play that thing throughout the whole year, if your head never adjusts to what it's supposed to adjust to, you understand, nothing will happen.
Okay.
You understand? So oftentimes, first, make it start from you, a better you, headspace-wise. For your head here, personally, I personally will say write them down.
Okay.
You understand? Like you talk, not to go cloud your writing. Say you go write 20 things where you get. If it be 10, where you not say no do. If at all I achieve 8 this year, I try. Sometimes if you don't achieve the 10, sometimes if you achieve the 10, you understand? But even if not 8, I do. I can give myself say, no, guy, you try this year. New Year resolutions, they're very important. As far as they personally concerned, you need to always look. Your eye, your inner vision need to see what's going to happen for the year for your own self.
Yeah.
Even when they say God, they even create the air self. They say they work out on top inside darkness.
Okay.
You understand? They go on the surface of the deep, just they stroll around.
You observe.
So all that time when they observe everything, I say they plan waiting go day where.
go come first,
You understand?
yeah.
Okay, this one I go first come, then I come put this one join. Everything don't happen the same time.
At all.
If not, darkness, night and day go happen the same time. You understand? If not, rain and sun go happen the same time. But everything get their own time and season. You get. So instead of the plan, before I come, they say, okay, let there be this one. You see, and second day, let there be this one again. And that day, let there be this one. So days. So you say plan the whole level.
Plan very well.
So you self as human being and the smaller God where we be. You understand? You feel just yarn your own self. So the more you dey write them down, they put them down, they verbalize things. Like easy be talk just now. Most of the time, what you find yourself they do very, very often. Now you can't they happen to you. You can't they master them. The more you they talk to yourself about the things the way they see from inside your eye, the more the thing they come forward, the more they actualize. You understand? So make this year not be year of say I just want the yarn, I just want the you understand. Do them first from your head. Make your brain adjust. Make your thinking first adjust. If you never tire for where you dey, you not fit that resolution what you want to do. Or that plan where you plan to become better, it not go work. It not go work. You first because you got one farmer take talk am. He say you feel like to the farm.
Okay.
But if you never tire to the seaweeds, you not go be better farmer.
Okay.
Meaning say, as you dey plant, they cover am. You go also need to consider say weed go still grow
come
later.
around them. So
I also comot am.
they tidy am
steady. So that one go fit grow. If not, the weeds go choke the one where you dey plant, where you supposed to come out.
Yeah.
So you as person, it's not just okay to say I want just to plant dreams and all. You need to understand say you need to do other things to make it germinate and grow as person. Okay, so very, very importantly, New Year's resolutions. I don't know what your own be, you know, but take out time, find biro, find paper or find book. Make an help them as paper because paper if you squeeze and throw away. Find better book, sit down. But first, before you have to write down your goals and your plan for the year, think first for your head. I don't tire for where I dey. I don't tire for the kind of money what they make. I don't tire for the kind of people that way they around me. I don't tire for the kind of friends and what I get. I don't tire for single life. I don't tire for, you know, make my marriage just be like, say, it just did there, not they happen. You don't tire for all these things until you tire for that thing. Progress no go show. So first, for your head, tire for that thing. Then you go figure out, okay, now I don't tire for this thing now. What's be the next move now?
Okay.
What thing I dey expect more than what thing I dey see now? Maybe for your account, now maybe like 5K, 10K.
I ain't like that.
You understand? But you say I suppose they see like hundreds of thousands. Maybe for your account like 50K. You say, man, but I suppose they see like 500K. Maybe for your account like 500K. You suppose they see like millions. Everybody get the next thing where they're supposed to take their own, you know, their levels do.
Yeah,
you understand? So nobody, everybody no fit stand for the same pattern, you know. But somehow, everybody always gets something else where you feel do. We're supposed better pass where you did presently. All right? For me, no worry, this year we're going to see him.
I be like he talked before.
Yeah, we're going to see him. We're going to see him this year. Now, the year of the doings.
Not be the talking.
Not the year of the talkings. You get. And as I follow you talk now, something already in the move, and but God will do it. But and the same thing for you too, and every other person will get plans for the year. All right? So, more of margins break. Now, by the time we come back, we're going to talk about one or two other things, and you know, why some people say, why this particular thing not they work for some people. You understand? Why they work for some people, why don't they work for some people. So we'll come back from this break, we'll talk that one sharply. If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.